Imagine you are heading somewhere unforgettable. What if you didn't have to choose between traveling light and capturing everything?
This is the new Sony RX10 Mark V, an all-in-one bridge camera with amazing capabilities.
The ZEISS 24 to 600mm lens was the first thing that truly impressed us.
From a sweeping landscape to a distant animal, in seconds, without ever changing lenses.
With high-speed shooting, up to 30 frames a second. You never miss a moment.
And even with its 600mm reach, the RX10 V remains lightweight and perfectly balanced, something that becomes incredibly valuable when every gram in your backpack counts.
The camera's AI-powered subject recognition and tracking perform impressively, locking into animals even in challenging conditions. Suddenly you're thinking less about camera settings and more about what's unfolding right in front of you.
One camera, one system, no interruptions, just the freedom to capture both photos and videos with a single camera.
Fast, powerful, packed with versatility, everything you need in one camera.
Lightweight, versatile, and ready for whatever the moment throws at you. It's about freedom. Less time thinking about equipment, more time living the adventure.